Hi guys, if you have not been getting your okpa right, just watch this video because it has the full measurements of water and the measurements of okpa you will need. And after watching this, I bet you must get that okpa right. So stay tuned, let me run you through the ingredients. I have 300 grams of okpa, but if you're using a measurement cup, you can measure like up to 3 cups. Here is 2.5. Above it is 2 3/4, and on top of it is 3 cups. So it's remaining just more to reach 3 cups. Here is 2 cooking spoons of palm oil. You can add more or less. And here is some salt. Add salt to your taste. I've already diced my onion and my habanero pepper. Over here is hot water, at least 40 degrees. It's not that hot, but you can be able to put your hand inside it. I've already prepared my nylons. I doubled it into 2. You can use plates, you can use foil to tie it as well. But this recipe today we'll be using nylon to tie the okpa. I normally start boiling the water that I will use to cook the okpa before I start mixing the okpa, for it to be boiled before I start throwing in the okpa. Before we start mixing the okpa, please take a minute of your time and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing I'll be doing is to throw in my 300 grams of okpa flour into a neat bowl. Make sure that your hands are clean because you'll be using our hands to mix this. And I follow it up with the palm oil. Please click the like button and share my video to your family and your friends. And if you have not turned on your notification to all, please turn on your notification to all so that you will be among the first to be notified whenever I upload any juicy content on this channel. Once you are done adding the oil, mix till you get a homogeneous mixture like this. Then it's time to start adding the water. I'll be measuring with the side that is written cups. And I'm now adding 2 cups. I measured out 2 cups of water. I will start adding it gradually by gradual. Once you add, you mix. Once you add, you mix, because it will look as if it's forming lumps. Just continue mixing and use your fingertips to be breaking the lumps, as you can see me doing. I'll be adding another half cup of water. Then I will mix and combine everything together and break down the lumps before I move on to the next step. Now I added my salt. Mix and test for salt. If the salt is not enough to your taste bud, you can add more. Now you can throw in your pepper and your onion and combine everything together. If you want, you can use knorr cube, but I don't normally use knorr cube when preparing my okpa. Sometimes I put it, but not a must. Once the water is fully boiled, you can start adding the okpa and be putting it inside the pot immediately. Do not keep it and wait till you are done tying. Just tie it and throw it inside the boiling water. Then you continue tying. At this stage, you can put boiled egg, boiled fish, or whatever you like. But I will be putting vegetable in the next one. And for the vegetable, I'm using frozen spinach. You can use kale leaf. You can use pumpkin leaf. Or if it is green amaranth that you can find within your place, just put that one, okay? Now I'm shaking it to make sure that the vegetable is mixed properly. Then I will tie it and put it inside. And that's just all I did. I covered the pot, set my timer and start cooking for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, your okpa is ready. You can enjoy this with your Coke. You can drink it with garri, your tea, your pap. I'll be eating the vegetable one and my son will be eating the one without the vegetables. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much and hope you enjoyed the video. If you learn one or two things, please leave your comments below. Share out the video to others so that they will also benefit from it. Bye and see you in my next one.